This is before, as many of you have experienced this rattling noise with a camera that has circular lug, and this is after, and there isn't much needed but a sewing thread and a pair of scissors. But I do recommend a strong sewing thread. So let's begin. As you know, these Peak Design sets of anchors and links, you know the anchor's cord is too big to fit into the circular lug, so you need an eyelet. Again, you'll need a sewing thread. I recommend using a strong sewing thread like this. You'll need about a foot long of this sewing thread. Starting with the bottom gap between the triangular eyelet and the circular lug. Put the thread into the lug hole and be ready to tie it. Put it in and tie it like this with about 2 inches left on the short end. Tie it, tighten it about 3 to 4 times. Now put the long end of the thread into the lug and loop it about 3 to 5 loops, wrapping around the lug like this. Take a look. Make sure to test that you can fold the eyelet down. If not, reverse the process by undoing the loop about 1 or 2 loops. It has to fold for flexibility, especially when you put the camera back into a holster or camera bag. When you can fold it, tie both ends into several knots like this to secure it. Tie it about 3 to 4 times. Take a look. It is now half dampened, but it is not done. Now repeat the process for the top gap. Take a look. Now it's completely dampened and it's done. You can do it again on the other side of the camera. Thank you for watching. Do come back.